Welcome to this Gallery Teachers Masterclass, the topic of which is noticing. My name is Neil Harris, and my job in this masterclass is to explain to you what noticing is, and also to help you to understand how noticing can enable you and your learners to become more proficient language learners, not just in the classroom, but outside the classroom. Noticing, in brief, is the idea of how we can encourage our learners to process the information, the language that is around them, in such a way that it goes into their long-term memory, where it then becomes available as output. And that output itself can be useful for them in terms of further enhancing their learning. So in brief, this masterclass will allow you into one of the secrets or the mysteries of second language acquisition and enable you to make better use of it in your classroom and for your learners.